Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, August 1st, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound yen starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on the pound yen, I'm definitely looking at this as most likely being the end of a wave 3. If it is the end of a wave 3, then it is very, very likely to be a wave 4, which a wave 4 will probably realistically look something like this. Probably going down to one of these two Fibonacci levels and probably lasting at least 6 to 8 months before we get the continuation of the uptrend for a wave 5. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, definitely still very impulsive down. I think this is likely a wave A of the ABC of 4 that I was just showing on the monthly time frame. So taking it right down to the daily time frame. On the daily, this is definitely all one downtrend, and I am almost guaranteed the trend is not over. I would expect to see a 3, 4, 5 shape like that before the trend even ends. So I'm definitely still looking for shorts on shorter time frames. Going down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, if you've done nothing over the last several weeks except for look for shorts in a downtrend on these yen pairs, then you would have significant profits in your trading account. Now, I definitely am still looking for shorts on these shorter time frames. I'm only going to go short on pullback, so if and when it makes a pullback, that is where I will be looking to go short for the continuation of the downtrend. So taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, I mean, I definitely am doing nothing but looking for shorts. I definitely wouldn't go short now, and I don't even know that it's going to go up now. It possibly could just keep on drifting down. If it does go up, if it does break structure, then it most likely will make a crescent to the whole move down, and that's where I will be looking to go short again for the continuation of the downtrend. Now, if you are a scalper and it does break structure, you definitely could try some longs. I personally will be waiting for three-way pullbacks, ABC crescents to go short again for the continuation of the downtrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.